All right, so I created a layer of grass. You can actually see it when you look in the floor plan level, a very large area, and I wrapped the wall all the way around and created that sort of semi-small courtyard area. You can actually see it in 3D like this. Now I need to slice that facade, and one thinks that's an easy thing to do. So I go to Western Facade, and I say, take that wall and edit its profile, and it's going to give me the profile configuration, that pink line, and you can actually see the pink line right over here. And I say, okay, so I know what I want. I want to go from here to here and here and basically trim that. So let's just snap, clean this part with that part, and this part with this part. So I think I'm all clean, and I say like that. So initially you think it looks perfect, it looks great, so I'm fine. If that works great, it will be fine. So it actually worked perfect, so I actually trimmed it. Alright, so I trimmed it very carefully, the whole thing. Sometimes it doesn't work and you may have to actually create another wall, and you can actually do that. Alright, now notice how it disjointed it over here. So I need to go back to the level 1 and create a quick section so I can study that joint like this. So that's my section over here. I want to look at it in color so I actually get to see it. So shaded may be a nice one. So that's the wall that I actually need to modify. And so I'm just going to modify that wall. So that wall goes all the way to this edge, first of all, and to that edge. And then later on I can actually clean it up. And then I'm just going to trim it. Okay, so I'm going to edit profile, and so I'm editing that profile starting from here, obviously, and then I'm going to go down to the bottom where I had it, all right, right there, and I'm going to edit this profile this way and that one that way, and I'm happy with it. And oops, there's a part at the bottom that I forgot, so it goes here and here, and I'm in good shape. And then I'm going to pull this line, move it from here to here, and it says you want to remove the constraint, and I say yes for now. Okay, and I say check. Let's see what happens. I'm going to look at it in 3D, and you can see that it kind of did it, but I'm not sure if I actually like it. So I'm going to go back to level 1. And it won't show the walls. So I need to go to the roof to see that junction to see how it worked. So I'm going to take that one and chamfer this one with that one and see if it does it. It cleaned it up for me. So right there, I've got that junction, that corner done. But I need to put a face over here because it looks funny, and I need to put a face over here which looks funny. But first I need to clean it up in side plan. So I'm going to go to side plan, and I said that edge which was there, it actually goes into this area. So I'm going to actually at least bring it up to this edge, but then it goes into that. So I'm going to edit in place, and I'm going to edit that extrusion really quick, and I'm just going to say, all right, so I need to go around here a little bit. So let's pick up this edge really quick, chamfer that line and this line, and let's pick up this edge for now, and that line and this line. Oops. Okay, let's chamfer this edge and that edge. All right, and now I think I can chamfer this one and that one, and chamfer this one and that one. I think I'm okay. Do I have too many lines? So let's get rid of this line. Let's get rid of this line because I think I have two lines sitting on top of each other, and I think it's okay. Let's backtrack, continue. I've got an edge that has an issue, so chamfer this one and that one, and check it off. And I think I'm okay. So here you can actually see it in 3D. So you can see where I'm actually at. I'm at this junction. I need to clean up a little bit of that joint because that joint at the bottom also needs to meet there. So I'm going to go back to level 1, and I can't see it. So I go to site planning, and I see it's just not meeting it. So I'm going to take this one, extend it to that edge, and it closed it. So it cleaned off that edge. So I look at it in 3D, it looks like it's clean, except it's not quite, because my wall is actually over here and I need it to go back. So these are some of the stuff that you actually need to clean up and look at different strategy to continue. I'm going to take another strategy and show it to you in a different time. So let's go ahead and finish this up.